Yo, what's good, guys? I know we haven't talked in a little while, but Evan just got a brand new Cobalt SS. And now the supercharger has been removed and replaced with a turbo. It's actually faster than half your guys' cars. Can you believe that? Anyway, we're taking it on a little bit of a joyride right now. And we also cleaning this baby up. Evan's doing all the hard work right now because I'm lazy as fuck. I'm gonna start walking over here and showing you this man, this sexy man. I'm clean and street. Very clean? Yo, what if I press this button right here? You think you're gonna be mad if I just... Don't do it. What the fuck? We do a little trolling. What the fuck? Who does this guy fucking think he is? I'm trying to record a video. I'm obviously more important YouTuber. I'm trying to record a fucking video. He's flashing this fucking huge ass gamer nut all over my goddamn video. What if I went inside the automated car wash, but as a person? Got a whole ass, I wish. The camera. I wouldn't do that, I'm sorry. Remember, wait. No, I had something to say, I swear to God. 1 like equals 1 prayer to Allah. Like the video and subscribe. Well, what the fuck, dude? He just left us here. What the fuck?
Shit. It's safe to say that sadly we'll never see him again.
Yeah, he's never coming back. The spare corn. Dude, did you find a oh, corn. Yeah, they called this one the field you get lost in for fucking ever.
It's kind of relaxing.
Let's just take a deep breath and appreciate it. A little bit.
That was cool. It was so loud.
Sounded like a fart. Oh man, look at that. Oh, safety first, right, guys? Man.
I'm a prisoner of war.
That's gonna do it for today's video.
Slap,
like
slap,
and subscribe.
slap.
I'm
Play up to the camera.
That's gonna do it for today's video, guys.
Dude,
like
we got
and
down to
subscribe.
33% battery.
See you next time.
Later.
Please report the blue Mustang in town if you see it.
Please report the teal Mustang in town if you see it for multiple. He has had sex with multiple my favorites, to put it true.
I know it to be true.
To put it true.
To put it blatantly.
Yeah.
Now this
Ooh, the cobalt
is
looks so
funny.
clean.